That is ridiculous. Gas is almost damn near $10.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
What's up, y'all? So I'm finally on here with my hair done, y'all. So today is May 31st. I hate this sound. It's May 31st and June 1st is tomorrow, y'all. A real season, okay, period, because my birthday coming up and my launch release party. So right now I'm about to go to my braces appointment to get my teeth tightened, and I'm gonna do black. Oh, I ain't even brushing my teeth.
No.
I gotta brush them real quick.
I ain't brush my teeth.
But I'm about to drink this Lasso tea. I've been trying to drink this. The only thing is I need to eat right with it.
Fear isn't a weakness. It's there to protect you.
So I just left. Y'all just seen me there with the lady. But I don't know why I just turned it up. I got black, and I should have not got black. I only got black because my dress is black. I should have got like white because it look like I ate some chocolate cake and or it's like some something. You know how y'all got that toothpaste where it be like the chocolate toothpaste? That's how it look. Like I got still on my teeth. Y'all, do y'all see these gas prices? Do y'all see that? $6, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm cursing. It's $6 effing dollars. Y'all, and I get premium, so where is that, babe?
7.
That is ridiculous. Gas is almost damn near $10. On my forehead. You ain't see it?
Forehead, but you can see it, that's why.
But yeah, that's ridiculous. I just had to say that, y'all. I am almost done paying off my car. Let me get another 29. Let me get another 29,000. It's over with. I'm paying this bitch off. Good morning, y'all. Today is June 1st. Say hey, Lay.
Hi.
Girl. Okay, we late, y'all. We late as hell. I'm taking Lay to school. I'm taking her to school right now. Then I think I gotta go to Calumet Bakery. I gotta go to Calumet Bakery. I wish I had like a thing to sit up. Like, I gotta go to Calumet Bakery or the one on 35th. I need a cake for the event. And I need to go to the bank because I guess our account had closed, our business account, because we haven't been putting no fees in it. The maintenance fees. Oh, I forgot all about that shit. So we gotta go reopen it. Like that shit's annoying. I'm probably looking cross-eyed.
Mommy, what is this?
I don't know, mommy.
That's for your lips. Huh?
Yeah. Carmet, you want some? And then
Yeah.
I think some more stuff. I think we're gonna get some lunch for Burrito Beach. But yeah.
For me?
No, you're gonna be in school. But yeah, today is the last day I got late. She go with her daddy tomorrow. And then I can get some more stuff done. So yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. I gotta finish my video. So yeah, I'm gonna catch up with y'all as soon as I drop her off and we get headed to go to some stores. So yeah. I know this girl, she do wild ass cakes. But I look at this one.
Hey, babe, what did we get for my birthday in April? Did we get
There's one to top rolls then.
yeah, but is it, she keeps saying it's a
sour cream.
Thank you.
Let's see, a little lettuce, onions, and guac. That's fine. So we just got done eating our food. What I got me some T3s, y'all. I got 2 wig reviews. And I'm like, I want some T3 curlers. My mom was showing me these. I'm like, I gotta give me some. I had gave her the money to get some already. But she didn't get no curlers. So I don't know what she did with that. But it's none of my business. However, I'm like, let me try these. And they're so cute. They are so cute. Let me show y'all. They are so cute. I'm thirsty to try them. I gotta bleach the wigs and stuff today, so yeah, I gotta upload my tutorial today too, around like 6 o'clock. But I bought me some liquid. I'm trying to see if that was the police. Bought me some liquid gold, y'all, from Boho, and I bought me some more watermelon. Some more watermelon. What you call it? Lace glue from Hair by Erica J, but I got the large, so I don't have to keep buying glue. Like, the large gonna last me for a minute, and I get wigs, but not like that, you know what I'm saying? So I can't wait to test this out. Like, I wanna do wigs, y'all. I wanna be cold with wigs to where, like, I can start making services. Like, if somebody want wig put on, they can get their wig put on. Now we are on our way to this party decoration store, y'all. Oh, I always wanted to live in like these condos right here, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see them because they got like stores over here. They got Ulta over here. They got Navy. Oh, Navy. I was gonna say Navy Pier. They got the Container Store. They got yoga over here. This is the Roosevelt Collection apartments, y'all. And y'all, I love it. I need a stand for my phone so where I can put it right here and it don't move. But y'all, it is June 1st. Let me see if I got some of my teeth. Nope, not at all. I gotta gel my ponytail up. I think I'm gonna do another tutorial with my palette. But yeah, I always wanted to live in this area, y'all. It's like, I don't know. When I think about rent being like $2,000-$3,000, I be thinking like, buy a house, cause a house gonna cost probably like $1,700 or less than that. It's all about credit, y'all. And this year, this month, I'm starting on working on my credit. I know a lady, and I'm gonna have her do it. But I just been busy just trying to get everything done, y'all. So I hate when they scam like he's calling my phone. Stop calling me. I'm not paying no bill right now. Shoot, got things to do. I still want to live like the high-rise life. But I just know for a fact that once I get an apartment, I know that it better have an island in it, because I want an island. Okay, I just need all the aesthetics. Like, I need all the luxury aesthetics, y'all. But yeah, I'm so excited to use these. I'm too ready. I see everybody on Instagram use these, so I'm like, I gotta get this. Broke my damn pocket. I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. Once we get to the store. Yeah, that was cute.
Very.
I like this. Oh, the yellow ones.
That's why I said we gotta come back.
How much is
for
these?
the wall. I don't know. How much they say?
$9. Them cute.
Yep, for the wall.
They got pink, purple.
Look.
Oh, now that's cute.
Yeah, I wonder where we would put this.
The name holders. Them is
They
cute.
are.
Or you sit it where people gonna sit. That's cute. got this fixed. My boyfriend got it done for me, y'all. It's finally done. It's finally done. It look nice. This small dead as hell.
This motherfucker always good.
Is it? This purse is cute, y'all. You think so?
Yeah. I think so.
Oh my god. I'm definitely getting this, babe. Not like right now. Yeah. This is so cute. They got a size 8. Let's see. Hey y'all, so my room is a mess. I woke up not too long ago, but I am doing TikTok right here. I'm gonna link below this stand in my Amazon store so that y'all could go check it out. It's a nice stand. The light ain't on because it's not charged, so I'm like using daylight. But yeah, I had this makeup on since last night. I finished at like 3 this morning. Well, last night. So, well, this morning. Girl. But yeah, I am tweaking, y'all. I don't know. I be loving these TikToks that I be doing. And today is Sunday. I've been vlogging. I just picked up my camera, so today is Sunday. I think I'm gonna run some errands, but right now I am making a TikTok and I gotta edit this hair video so I can get my coins, okay? Because I got things to do. The invitations are made, y'all. I gotta send the invitations out, and after that, run to the store. I gotta get the stuff for the cake, and I also have to count inventory. Main thing I gotta do, count inventory. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. 2 more weeks. Well, 1 more week. 1 more week, and the lunch. And then I did my eyeshadow with. I did my face, my ass with my eyeshadow base and palette. Okay, I can't wait till y'all get it. But I'm finna finish this TikTok and I'm gonna see y'all.